How to log in into Capital One Credit Online account. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can log in into Capital One Credit Card Online account. So without further delay, let's get started. Open up your preferred browser and in the search bar, type in Capital One Credit Login. Once you're here, click on the first link on your interface. That's gonna take you to their official website. Now to log in into the account, you could directly enter your username and password from here, then click on sign in button. If not, you could also head over to sign in button at the top right corner, click on it, and that's gonna take you to the login prompt. Now, enter your username that is linked with your account. Under that, enter your password that is linked with your account again. Make sure you type in your correct credential. In case if you forgot your username or password, there is a link right here. Click on it, follow the on-screen instructions, and that's going to help you recover your account. Once you're done with your credential, click on sign in button, and with that, you will be logged in into your account. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.